In the next example, a researcher wishes to test the effects of the drug ecstasy on a person's IQ. The researcher has 100 individuals and gives them all an IQ test. Then the researcher breaks up the 100 people into two groups. One group of 50 individuals is given a drug ecstasy and after 5 hours is given another IQ test. He finds a difference in each individual's IQ scores. For the second group of 50 individuals, they are given a placebo and after 5 hours is given another IQ test. He finds a difference in each individual's IQ scores. The IQ scores of those in the first group drop by 15 points. The researcher finds that ecstasy negatively affects a person's IQ. So for part A, describe the treatment and the control groups. Well, the treatment is ecstasy and the control is the placebo. Is this an observational study or a design experiment? And explain. If it is an observational study, redesign it so that it is a design experiment. Well, it's a design experiment since we are making our subjects take ecstasy. Now, what are the explanatory and the response variables? Well, the explanatory variable is ecstasy. The response variable is IQ. Remember that explanatory affects the response. In part D, what is the conclusion of the study? Does it have to do with causality or only association? Well, ecstasy negatively affects a person's IQ, therefore it's causation because it's a designed experiment.